Hi guys, my name is Mo. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Today we will be talking about decimals. This is lesson
Hello
1.
guys, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Please visit mosonyaolu.com.ng. There are quite a number of videos there that will help you. This is Mo Sonyaolu. Please subscribe to my channel. In today's lesson, we'll be talking about decimals. This is lesson 1 for decimals. A decimal is a number that has a decimal point. A decimal is a number that has a decimal point. It's similar to fractions and percentage. This is an example of a decimal number: 539.88. That's 539.88. That's a decimal number. It is more than 539. It's not up to 540. So it is 539.88. Now let's look at this arrangement of decimal: 428.12. 4 is hundreds, 2 is 2 tens, and 8 is 8 units. That's for a normal whole number. But when we have decimals following, the 1 is 1/10, and the 2 is 200, and then it continues like that. This is another example: 6945.3728. 6 is 6,000, 9 is 900, 4 is 4 tens, 5 is 1 ones. Then, in Nigeria we call this units 5 units. Then after the decimal point we have 3 tenths, 7 hundredths. That 100 is not the normal 100, it has th behind it. 2 thousandths, and then 8 tens of thousands. After that you have hundreds of thousands. So we use decimals most often when we are talking about money. 23 naira 59 kobo. Now in this lesson we'll be talking about adding and subtracting decimals, and I've always told you that there is a golden rule in adding and subtracting decimal. There is a golden rule: all your decimal points must be on a straight line. And if you are learning decimal afresh, this is the first time you are learning decimal, you don't know much about decimal, always use a box book, a book that has lines, that will help you arrange your decimals on a straight line. You can see that all my decimals are on the same side of the box. So you have the question says 2.345 plus 67.99. How am I going to arrange it to get the proper answer? My decimal point must be on a straight line. So I write 2.345. Then I look for the box under. This is where the next decimal will be. So you can just place the decimal 67.99. You place the decimal under your first decimal, and then after my decimal, what do I have? 9 and 9. Before my decimal, what do I have? 7 before 6. I've arranged it well. Then I can add. I bring this 5 down. 4 plus 9 is 13. I carry 1. I drop 3. I carry 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 9 is another 13. I drop 3. I carry 1. Then I drop my decimal points here, and I say 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 7 is 10. I drop 0, and then I carry 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. All my decimals must be on a straight line. This is another example: 555.67 plus 000.198. So I use my box book again: 555.67. Then if I want to write under, I put another decimal under the first decimal. After the decimal, what do we have here? 198. Before the decimal, what do we have here? 000. I've arranged it well. I can now add. I bring this 8 down. 7 plus 9 is 16. I drop 6. I carry 1. 1 plus 6 is 7 plus 1, 8. I drop it. I drop my decimal point here. Don't forget to drop your decimal point. 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 0, 5. Yet another example. 19.77 plus 000.19 plus 998. So I write again 19.77. So for me to write this under, I look for my decimal, I write it here. After the decimal, what do you have? 1 and 9. Before the decimal, what do you have? 0, 0, 0. And then you have 998. I wrote 999 here. Sorry about that. 998. And it does not have a decimal point. So you put the number. Supposing there will be a decimal point to be here immediately after 8. So let's say these are decimal. What's in front? Nothing behind. What's in front? 999. And then you add. 7 plus 9 is what? 16. You carry 1. Here you have 9. When you carry 1 here, 1 plus 7 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. You carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 9, 11. You drop 1 here, carry 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. Drop 0 here, carry 1. So the most important part of the story is that you should know where your decimal points are. So we are through with that. Then we want to talk about subtracting decimal. Adding and subtracting have the same golden rule. So in this case, they say we should subtract 5.543 from 1. Always know that for whole numbers, the decimal point comes after the whole number. So in this case, is 1.000. You know, I have to have enough zeros that will accommodate the number coming. So I have 000. Then the next, I go to the next line. The first thing I write is my decimal point. And what is behind my decimal? 543. Now I can subtract. Now 0, I can't take away 3 from 0. I go to borrow from here. I borrow this one here. I put it here. This one will become 10. I have to borrow here again. This one becomes 9. I put it here. This one becomes 10. I borrow here again. This one becomes 9. I put it here. This one becomes 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. This 9 minus 4 is 5. This 9 minus 5 is 4. So that's how our answer is 0.457. Yet another question, subtracting decimals. This is 6 number. 6 number minus 4.843. So the first thing I write is my 6 number, and my decimal comes immediately after the whole number. So you have 6.000 is to accommodate these numbers. Then minus 4 point, the first thing is to write is the decimal. After the decimal you have 843. Before the decimal you have 4. Now I can subtract. I borrow 1 from this 6, this becomes 5. I put it here, this becomes 10. I borrow 1 here, it becomes 9. I put it here, this becomes 10. I borrow 1 here, it becomes 9. I put it here, this becomes 10. 10 minus 3 will give me 7. 9 minus 4 will give me 5. 9 minus 8 will give me 1. And then this 5 here minus 4 will give me 1. My answer is 1.157. So we have gotten to the end of this lesson. In the next lesson, we'll be talking about multiplying and dividing decimals. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a nice time. Thank you.